Hi, I'd like to share my first experience in searching for information about online tutoring. I have never done this before, as I am not very experienced in softwares and their appropriate applications and uses. It took me to almost 4 months to find out all about online tutoring. I had no idea how to go about using all the apps related. I searched in YouTube for help, but at the beginning I thought it would be so easy to get help from YouTube. Since there are hundreds of videos, I was getting so confused. Then I had to explore on online tutoring, making videos, using Zoom, and lots of stuffs. But I had a very good experience. I've learned so many things. Hardware you need is laptop, tablets. Also, you need to know which one to buy, appropriate for your work. Mobile, calculator, obviously pen and paper, webcam, microphone, headphones, clamp, etc. Software, you need internet, WhatsApp with hundreds of WhatsApp apps is there. Every time you go through, every YouTube will tell you all different stuffs. That's why it takes longer time to go through. But I found a very simple way to deal with it, which is I like to share with you. I hope you won't have to spend 4 months like me, maybe straightway or maximum 1 week to get used to it. Let me know if you are benefited or not. Your comments would be highly appreciated. But I've listed on Excel sheet since I'm not very good in all video making and might help you. But if you're not, please let me know. I'll make a try to small video. Anyway, to go through everything like this, so for the time being, for video recording, you have I have a Lenovo, but you can have any tab. Go through, open your camera, and tap your video. It will start recording. Whatever you're doing, you can use your pen, paper, or whiteboard, anything. Then, when you finish your recording, this then open YouTube through Chrome. Remember that. Then you can upload it, follow a step-by-step procedure, about 12 of them, then you can publish. That's it is. But by the way, the number 3, the recorded video automatically is saved in file under video sections. You can also upload straight away to from laptop. All you have to do, you have to transfer the file to laptop first. Thank you. The next thing is about online tutoring. Online tutoring, you can first of all, if you have a stand, you clip your Lenovo on the stand facing near rear camera down. So facing near rear camera down, tap screen recorder to open. Open AirDroid on both laptop Lenovo, but you have to download this first. It's to share both the screen on laptop and while you're working on it. This gives you more confidence. Then open Zoom, start Zoom, participate and link, copy, send WhatsApp through WhatsApp by pasting it. Then you can share Zoom camera with the student. Then start lecturing with pen, paper, whiteboard, anything. When you stop lecturing, then stop screen recording as well. Video will be automatically saved in screen recorder. Thank you.